Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to write a program in Python to find the sum of n natural numbers with a time complexity of order of 1. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, in order to write the program, let's understand the formula that we are going to use. So let's say you have been given a number 3. Okay, and the agenda of this video is to find what is the natural number sum till 3, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, what it will be. So clearly we can see that in this situation it's what? Nothing but 6. In mathematics, if you are aware that the formula for finding the sum of first n natural numbers is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. So over here in this situation, if you put 3, then it will be what? It will be nothing but 3 into 4 by 2, right? Which would be what? 2 times it will get cancelled, and which will be ultimately equal to 6, which clearly we can see is equals. So this formula, which is n into n plus 1 by 2, this is the formula that we are going to use. So you can clearly see that we will ask the user first of all to enter the number n. Now if the user enters the number n, then directly with the complexity, particularly time complexity of order of 1, we can find the sum of first n natural numbers. So let's do it. So first of all, let's ask the user to enter the number n. So we are aware that in Python we can take input with help of input function. We will simply write input and the comment. Right now we are also aware that this input function is going to return us string. So we'll cast it to our desired data type, and over here we are aware that it will be of integer type. So let's cast it to int. Now what we have to do, so we have to find the sum. So let's have a variable as sum, and now we will include what? We will include the formula, which is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2, right? So clearly we can see that it's in this division is involved. So naturally the sum will be casted to floating data type. So let's cast it to integer 1 like this. Now let's print the answer. So basically we can decorate the result further with help of format method, and so we'll simply write dot format, and then the first curly braces should be replaced by what? Should be replaced by the number that the user is providing, n, and then the second is for what? Is for sum. Now let's run this program to see everything working, and here you can see that it's asking me to enter the number. So let's give that number only, which was 3. So the desired result should be 6, and boom, here you can see that it's telling that the sum of first 3 natural numbers is 6. So let's try out with other inputs as well. So let's give 10, and boom, here you can see that the result is 55. So this is how we can write a program in Python to find the sum of first natural number having the time complexity of order of 1. In the next video we will see how we can do the same for a complexity of order of n with help of for loop. So this was all about the video. Thank you.